Para listen ha, listen. Listen ha.
ओके अस्सलाम वालेकुम Today we will explain about how we lift material by mechanical lifting. Mechanical okay. We will explain you here. Mechanical lifting में कैसे कोई सामान को उठाने लगे बेल्ट से है ना, ये बेल्ट से ही बोलते हैं इसको। तो कैसे उठाना है, क्या प्रोसीजर है और क्या सिस्टम है, ये सारी चीज मैं आपसे डील करूँगा इंशाल्लाह। ओके, there is a two kinds of sling, lifting sling. Okay, there is chain sling and the second is web sling. Chain sling, you know, you can see along with the mobile crane or tower crane, you will find here. That is called chain sling. Okay. Now this is web sling. Okay. As per the standard of safety or as per the standard of side wall. Don't say bend or don't say anything else. This is the perfect word. Web sling. W-E-B. Web sling. Okay. Now there is a capacity of different web sling. There is a different capacity. बताऊंगा इंशाल्लाह, ठीक है। पहले मैं इधर बात कर लेता हूँ इंशाल्लाह इंग्लिश में, ताकि फिलिस्तीन लोग इंग्लिश जानते हैं, फिर मैं आपको उर्दू में हिंदी में इंशाल्लाह पंजाबी में बात करूँगा, ठीक है। ओके ओके, there is different, so there is a different capacity also. So how you will find the capacity? Lifting the capacity, SWL. What is SWL? SWL. This is very important. When you will go anywhere, in any project, and the first question he will ask you, related to the lifting, he will ask you, what is SWL? So your answer should be safe working load. Correct? Safe work load also, safe working load also. You can no problem. Okay? But how you can identify this web sling? What is the capacity of this web sling? How you can identify? How you will know? 5 ton, 6 ton, 10 ton, 50 ton, 20 ton. How you will know? 1 ton, less than 1 ton. How you will know that this web sling, what is the SWL of this web sling? Say working load of this web sling. How you can know? How you will know? There is a simple method, very simple. See, there is a tag. This is web sling tag. Everything is mentioned on this tag. Everything is mentioned. What is the capacity? How many ply? And when it's made? What is the length? What is the width of this web sling? Everything what you find, everything you will get from this tag. Okay? So now, what is the capacity of this web sling? I want to explain you. See, there is a web sling. Total, okay? Total calculation I am talking. This is total 4 ton. 4 ton, 4,000 kilogram. This web sling capacity, 4,000 kilogram means 4 ton. It mentioned here. But there is a trick. There is a simple method and the system. If you will lift any material, any load, like this U-type, U-type. So the capacity of this web sling will be 4 ton, means 4,000 kilogram. Okay. The another method, the web sling is same, but the method will be changed. Okay, and the calculation will be changed also. Okay. Now, see, if you will lift like this, eh? Put the weight here and anchor this one with the hook. So if you will lift the load like this, then the capacity will be 1,600 kilogram only. See how much difference? How many differences? 1,600 kilogram only. Yes, the system. See the diagram also. Mentioned with the diagram, the kilogram, everything is mentioned on this tag. So you should have to must follow this tag. Okay. Now the third thing. This web sling, if this web sling is new, brand new, came from the company, the factory. So there is no requirement for the third party inspection certificate for this web sling till 6 months. After 6 months, you should have to make the third party certification for the web sling after 6 months. But if the web sling is brand new, came from the factory direct, then no need, not required the third party certificate till 6 months. You can use this web sling till 6 months from the date of manufacture. Okay? But after 6 months, you are not authorized to use this web sling unless if you will not make the third party certificate. Okay? So you should have to you should have to make the third party certificate after 6 months. Okay? Every 6 months, make sure. Okay? The third party, the engineers, they are coming here and they are checking this, all the things. Okay? And they are giving the color code. Once the third party give the color code, then only you will authorize, and along with the color code, they will provide the certificate also. So you will be authorized to lift any load with this web sling as according to the capacity of this web sling, and everything is mentioned on this tag with the diagram. You should have to go with this diagram and the kilogram both. Okay? You should have to must follow. This is very important. Very, very important. Okay? Now, if this web sling is damaged from age, if web sling is damaged from age, you are never able